If you guys watched the anime Evangelion, you'd know where this coffee is from. And I want to start doing a series where I get things that they try in anime and just like drink it, stuff like that. So we're going to be trying this. This was like less than $2 at DAISO, and you can also get this at random Asian supermarkets. This is original blend made with milk, and I'm lactose intolerant, so that should be fun. It's 140 calories, 25 grams of sugar, 170 grams of sodium. It has water, sugar, milk powder, coffee, and emulsifier. I don't know what that is. So this has milk in it. Yeah, okay, so let's open it up. Oh, Evangelion coffee. A lot of animes have like this coffee, so let's try it. My boyfriend loves these. They're really milky. You know how some people like their coffee really milky, like really thick and creamy? This is super creamy. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it like a 4. It's drinkable, tolerable, but I don't know. It's just the milk, I also don't like to drink milk. Look at me drinking it. Thank you guys so much for watching my little review. I don't like that. No, I don't like it. I have a few more things to try from animes, and I just really want to keep doing that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Janamina, don't forget to watch anime. And just to say this, I am going to be coming out with tank tops and like little buttons and stuff like that really soon before this year is over. So yay, VASSEN anime freak merch. Yay. Janamina. Bye.